Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing a cape logarithm question. Let's get into it. So this question is given x equal 2 to the y, and we need to express the following in terms of y. So I have log base 2x, and all I'm going to do is replace the x with 2 to the y because it said x is equal to 2 to the y. Now we know once we have a power, we can carry the power in front. So I carry the y in front. So we have y log 2. So the base is 2, the argument is 2. When we have this, we know once the base of the argument is the same, then that's 1. So the answer is just y. The next example, I am going to use a change of base formula first. So change your base formula, you write the base that you want. So I am going to write base 2. So I'm going to have log 2 in the numerator and log 2 in the denominator. Then I have the x goes in the denominator and 2 goes in the numerator. So we have log 2 in the numerator, log 2 is 1. So all of this is 1. And in the denominator, we know that log 2x is 1 over y. Now we're going to solve, say, but I just have solved. So we already did log 2x. So log 2x is y. We also did log x2 from part B, represents 1 over y. So I'm going to replace it with 1 over y. So I have 1 over y here plus 2. Now 1 over y times 8, that's going to give us 8 over y. Is equal to, and then you have y. Now because we have a fraction, to get rid of the fraction, we're going to multiply the entire equation that we have here by y so that we get rid of the y in the denominator. So multiplying y times y, I'm going to get y squared. Then 8 over y times y, that gives us just 8. And y times 2, that's 2y. Now I'm going to carry the 8 and the 2y over the equal sign. So there is going to be a sign change. So we have y squared minus, I'm going to write minus 2y first, minus 8. Now, just remember we just carried the positive 8 and the positive 2y, both of them over the equal sign and the sign change. Now I'm going to factorize. So I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 8, but add to give me minus 2. So these two numbers are negative 4 and positive 2. So replace the center with the two factors. So we have y squared, and then we'd replace the center. So we attach a y to the factors that I have there. So I'm going to have minus 4y and positive 2y. And then minus 8 equals 0. Now grouping, have them in two groups. So we factor out what is common. So in the first bracket, I can factor out a y. So I'm left with y minus 4. The second bracket, I can factor out 2, positive 2. So I'm left with y minus 4. I have y plus 2, and I also have y minus 4. So I just equate it to be equal to 0 because we're solving. So we can go ahead and solve. So carrying the plus 2 over, there's a sign change. So y is equal to negative 2 and y is equal to positive 4. Now here guys, remember we said that x equal 2 to the y, and that's what we use to replace so that we have the logs disappear. So to find out what is x, I am going to reuse this, which is x is equal to 2 to the y. So we have y is equal to negative 2, y is equal to positive 4. So using x is equal to 2 to the y. So we have x is equal to 2 to the power negative 2. Now 2 to the negative 2 is negative. So, but if you're not sure, then you can use laws of indices where it becomes 1 over 2 to the 2. And that means x is equal to 1 over 2 squared, which is 4. Same case here, we're going to use x is equal to 2 to the y. So we're going to have x is equal to 2 to the positive 4, and 2 to the 4 is 60. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have more questions, you can leave a comment.